Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video I'm going to unboxing and a haul from Sephora. And right now they are done for their holiday sales event this year for 2021. So these are the first batch that I've got from buying there on sale. So if you guys are interested for this kind of video, then just keep on watching. This is kind of heavy, so bear with me. Oh, these are the products, the first products that I've got from Sephora. So this is like a Sephora haul. I'm going to try my best to take this. Not to move the table. Take this off, this stuff. I like it because these ones are more recyclable than the plastic ones. So I have it here. So first I bought is this this is their Empower Trio face palette, and I think it's cost $15, which is not bad. By the way, most of these ones are their Sephora collections because I think they started to do the 30% off or all entire Sephora collection started like November 5th through November 15th. So I just started to buy this Sephora collection because why not? Decent makeup too, because I used to buy their trio, which is like a circle before. Now it's like more of a rectangular one, which is more bigger than the ones that I used to. They don't have that one anymore. So here it is. It's black packaging, and then this one just came off. And it is plastic, by the way. Here they are. So first is the blush, and then the second one is like kind of blush topper, and then the third one is like kind of goldy highlighter here. So the first one, the second one, and the third one. So excuse my skin because I haven't put any lotion. I did get this one. This is their eye stories. So if they have lip stories, they have hashtag eye stories. And this one I've got the Southwest Sunrise, and it does have 6 eyeshadow palette in here, or 6 pan eyeshadow palette. And I'm not sure how much is this for original price because I've got this one in their sales section. So sales section plus the 30% off, so maybe just like around $5 or $4, not that bad. So this is the packaging. So here they are. I like the what do you call this, the front one, and it does have like a kind of like instruction if you don't know how to use an eyeshadow or you're a beginner. They have like a steps here. So far they are really powdery, not that bad though. So first 3, Sunlight, Sandstorm, and Gibson. So wait, okay, just want to make sure which one. This is the first one, which is the Sunlight. The second one is the Sandstorm, and the last one is the Gibson, the middle one. Next 3, they're not that bad. They're powdery, but not they're not bad. So the first one is red clay. The second one is the emerald, and lastly is the charcoal. So the emerald, it looks like a kind of a duochrome right there. And then the charcoal, it is shimmer, like kind of brownish shimmer with a little bit of, I think it's silver or gold in it. Here is the candles. This is from their holiday selection, or holiday collection, I mean holiday collection, and they're new. And from here I can smell the scent already. So there's 3 of them. I believe they are $18 and 30% off. I don't know what's the thing, because they don't show it how much they deduct it. It's just like at the end of the total you see how much it is. So this one, they are retail price is $18 and the value in here is $30. And they have the pumpkin harvest, frosted kisses, and falling leaves. So these are great for gifts too, because you can like wrap it and then they think what it is, even though it's kind of heavy a little bit. But if the people likes candles, you can they can give this to them. So here they are. I don't know if I'm going to light them up or I'm just gonna put them as a background for this holiday. So it says here they are frosted kisses. It is blended with frosted mint, blood orange, red currant, and a warm amber. And then the pumpkin harvest, it is pumpkin, spice pumpkin, cinnamon bark, sandalwood, and orange. And then lastly is the falling leaves. It is blend of cinnamon, vanilla bean, musk, and fir balsam. So this one is the pumpkin. I can smell the soft pumpkin spice in there. And this one, it is have a, I can smell the more amber, warm amber in here. This one I can smell the musk, more musky, and a little bit of vanilla and cinnamon in there, which is nice. I like it. Next one, there's 2 of them. I've got them from the sales again. They are $6 each, so like around, I don't know what's the thing math of them. So but they are 1 minute face mask. So here they are. I've got the avocado one, and it does have 14 face masks here. And then I've got the hibiscus lotus flower. So they are $6 on sale. So I don't know how they are. The what do you call this? The skincare products that are on sale in Sephora, they are already sold out. So these are the only ones that I've got. So I wanted to try them on because I wanted to start to do a skincare reviews on my channel again. Because as you guys can see on the videos, the new videos I have right now are all about makeup. So next ones, I've got this holiday vibes. This is their 12 days. Is it 12 days? 12 gifts in here. So here it is, and I believe this is like $25 retail price, and the value, it is the retail price is the retail price is 25, the value is 60, and then if you're in Canada it is 35, and then the value is $80. So it's kind of like, it made me like confused for a second. So this is their holiday vibes, and I'm not sure if this is a new one in their website. So I'm going to show you guys now just the front, because I'm going to do another video unboxing this stuff and another video to try this stuff in this video. So if you guys are by the way, this makeup look is I'm going to upload it before this video, and this makeup look are from the 12 days of beauty from Ulta. Their it is their advent calendar. So if you guys haven't seen those video, I'm going to link it down below. I did a unboxing, and now is the try on of the other stuff, the 12 products at least, I guess. So I'm going to unbox this one soon, so stay tuned for that. 3 products, and I've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills or ABH foundation. I'm not sure how much foundation you can get in this one, because really these are only like swatches. And then the next one is like Dermalogica. It's a serum. So comment down below if you guys wanted me to do a video dedicated with the samples only. And then these are the free gifts that I've got. I'm not sure. I think when you buy worth of $50 in their website, which is, I think I did use the October sample, something like that. So they gave me with this Sephora lychee face mask, and then this have Playa, which is a hair mask, which is I need because I have a dandruff right now. And then Valentino Yellow Dream perfume. And then we have Herbivore. This is a clarity resurfacing clarity mask. And then another, no, it's not perfume, but it is a dark spot solution from Kiehl's. Oh wait, this is the front. And then next I've got the Clinique Moisture Surge. I think it's a hydrator, a serum, I guess. So yeah, I think it's not serum, it is just a cream. The next one is the KVD Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Powder in the shade of Translucent. So it is very tiny, which is nice because you don't need a lot of powder anyway. So after I finish this one, I might just gonna pour in some powder here, just like maybe if I'm gonna go travel or put in my purse. The next one is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. So nice. And that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.
Love me, say that you